In this video, we're about to analyze Bitcoin with AI. Now, I'm going to use a Chrome extension, which is going to use up to 10 different strategies, which is then going to analyze what's going to happen next with this current coin. Now, I'm going to click Analyze. Right now, something crazy is happening with Bitcoin. If you look at the graph, you can see that, let me just move myself away here, that what's been happening is that the price all of a sudden skyrocketed. Now, AI is receiving the information right now when the price is around at this level here. And so what we're seeing right now is what's about to happen according to all of the different methods. So as we can see, the Chrome extension that I'm using, which is called TRAID, T-R-A-I-D, is saying that the price is going to continue going up. There's two scores for long and no scores for short. Right now, 2 out of the 10 theories are saying that you should make a long trade for this current order, for this current coin. So as you can see, this was before the price went up this much. Now it's testing all the different trading strategies. They're all saying that you should do a long order. Now, when this happens, when all the different trading strategies, the Wyckoff method, Elliott wave theory, support resistance, and Fibonacci retracement are all saying the same thing, usually what that means is that they are all seeing something similar. Now, the amazing thing is each of the different trading strategies has a different way of looking at the graph and understanding it. So when they all say one thing, when all the trading strategies say, listen, this is time to do a long trade, when they all say the same thing, it usually symbolizes something very clear. So right now, we don't have any of them, literally any of them, saying to do a long trade. And the amazing thing is that they're all correct. Because when we first started this video, we were nowhere near up here. We were down here. So as you can see, the AI has successfully analyzed the graph. Now, this is not financial advice. Neither is this. This is for educational purposes only, but you can use this how you want. Now, I was fed up of losing in the trading market, but when I saw this Chrome extension, which is taking advantage of all of these amazing trading strategies that you've probably heard of before, and basically consolidates them into one Chrome extension. And you saw I just clicked select all and analyze, and then it analyzed the graph. And as you can see, almost all of the trading strategies are telling you to do a long trade. Now, once this is all over, once we've reached 10 out of 10, it will consolidate all the results and give them to you in a very clean and organized manner and tell you what it thinks is going to happen with this trade, where this trade is going. So right now we can see it's saying long, and as you can see, it just keeps going up. Now remember, this was the information that was passed to the AI, and the AI has been saying unilaterally that the price will be a long. And this is crazy because now we're analyzing using market structure analysis. We can see that too, the one before that was the harmonic patterns, said that the price was going to go up. And also now market structure analysis is going to give its opinion. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. That's crazy. This Chrome extension just tried 10 different trading strategies, and they all said that you should go long. And look right on the left of me, the price keeps going up. Now, when we consolidate the results, it happens automatically. You get one trading signal, as you can see, long with 4 stars, and it thinks the price is going to go all the way to 11550, and right now it's on 1154079. And as you can see, initiate a long position as multiple strategies indicate strong bullish continuation after a significant breakout. So as you can see, this is the reason why all of these methods are saying to you, jump in while you still can. Thank you for watching this video. If you want this Chrome extension, you can get it in the description, and you get to this page, you just click add to Chrome. It's free for 24 hours of use, and after that it costs money, but it's definitely going to be worth it. It's the multi-strategy AI trading chart analyzer. Thank you for watching this video. See you inside.